There once lived a man named Henry, a talented European investor with a keen eye for opportunities. He had inherited a small sum of money from his family and had the knowledge to multiply it. He read books, followed market trends, and even attended investment seminars. On paper, Henry had everything needed to become wealthy. Yet he had one fatal flaw: he never acted. While others made calculated investments, Henry spent months researching, analyzing, and overthinking. He constantly waited for the perfect moment, convincing himself that inaction was safer than risk. But the truth was, inaction is the silent destroyer of fortune. Henry watched as his friends invested in stocks, real estate, and emerging businesses. Some made small gains, others turned moderate investments into impressive returns. Henry felt a mix of admiration and envy, but he told himself he would wait for a less volatile moment. Weeks turned into months, and months into years. Opportunities that were once abundant passed him by. A real estate property he had considered buying doubled in value while he hesitated. A promising startup attracted investors and skyrocketed in value. Yet he only watched, convinced he was too cautious. Financially, Henry's inaction cost him more than money. It cost him compounding growth. Each day that he left his capital idle, he lost potential interest, dividends, and profits. He often complained about the economy, the market, and missed opportunities, never realizing that his greatest obstacle was himself. His knowledge was vast, yet useless without action. Knowledge without execution is like a map without movement. It points the way, but never takes you anywhere. As time passed, Henry's peers who had acted consistently accumulated wealth while he remained stagnant. The accounts he could have opened, the investments he could have made, and the ventures he could have joined were gone forever. Henry began to understand that wealth is not merely about knowing what to do, it is about doing it consistently. Hesitation, fear of mistakes, and overanalysis had become his prison. One day, Henry tried to catch up. He invested in stocks, started a small business, and attempted to save diligently. But the market had shifted, competition was stronger, and early opportunities were no longer available. The returns were modest compared to what he could have earned. He realized the hard truth: time lost can never be recovered, and inaction is far more costly than a wrong decision. Henry's story is a cautionary tale for all aspiring investors. Knowledge alone will not build wealth. Action, consistency, and the courage to take calculated risks are what turn potential into fortune. Wealth rewards those who act. Learn from mistakes and keep moving forward. The lazy investor loses not because he is unskilled, but because he refuses to act, letting opportunities slip silently away. The lesson is clear: the longer you wait, the more your potential wealth diminishes. Start today, even with small steps. Invest consistently, take calculated risks, and turn knowledge into action. Fortune favors the bold, not the hesitant. If Henry's story resonated with you, like this video, share it with someone who needs this lesson, and subscribe to the channel for more impactful money stories and wealth-building insights.